so much. I am Alit Lydia, a teacher at Aromi Primary School in Amolatar district. I am so grateful for today attending the Sanskrit training. I want to send my thanks to the district education officer, Amolatar, for inviting us, the teachers, to attend the training. I also want to thank the Ministry of Education and Sports in conjunction with the River Flow International. Really, we the teachers of Amolatar, we are very happy for the training. It has helped us so much. For us, we were teaching, but we didn't know some of the things to use. So today that we have been in the training, we are able to teach the pupils on the things that we know very well. And we hope we are going to perfect the teaching of science as a subject. I also would like to thank the Minister of Education, who is the First Lady, for also accepting the River Flow International to come into our country. It has helped us. The teachers are now skilled. I know it is going to improve on the performance since our country is now encouraging science as something that can help the country. I would like to thank the River Flow for availing primary science kits also in primary schools. It used to be only in the secondary schools, but now in primary, they are also availing us. And this thing also will make the pupils, when they go to the next level, that is to say secondary, they are going to be conversant with the kids. I thank you very much for all that you have done. May God bless you all. Thank you.